I'm Robbie Smith, and I am the associational missionary for the Daniel Baptist Association. 52,000 people in our 4 counties, and 41,000 people are lost.
My name is Nathan Tran. I am planning a young professional Asian American church. There is at least 15% of Asian American in the south side of Gwinnett area.
My name is Jim Haskell. I'm the lead strategist for Urban Atlanta Church Planting. Our assignment is to start new evangelistic churches inside the urban core of Atlanta. In 1965, there were 166 Southern Baptist churches within the Interstate 285 perimeter. Today, only 39 of those churches remain.
I'm Dr. Morgan Kerr, and I'm the lead pastor of Emmanuel Baptist Church here in Savannah, Georgia. The world is coming to us. We have a responsibility to plant churches of different ethnicities and different affinity groups.
My name is Larry Graves. I'm the pastor of Midtown Bridge Church in Midtown, Atlanta.
We do not have a second generation church for the Asian American, and my heart goes out to them.
We're on the grounds of Southeastern Technical College, where 2 years ago we began Journey Church. And through that ministry, we've seen dozens of students come to know Christ.
This is a building that once housed a thriving Southern Baptist congregation. Today, it's the headquarters for a comedy club. Just down the street is the largest mosque in the Southeast.
Just as much as we're committed to the Great Commission and sharing the gospel, we too have to be committed to loving on people and serving our city.
I'm in the middle of a jungle in a miniature golf course here at the Savannah Mall because we have planted Life Switch to minister to the military and their families.
In our area, there's a lot of farms and a lot of people who work for the farmers, and we're wanting to start new churches to reach their need.
Inside that urban core, there are 900,000 people that reside. 800,000 of them have no inclination toward church at all.
We believe that effective church planting is to go where the people are.
Most of them do not accept Jesus as Christ, their Savior, and my job is to love on them and in due time share with them the gospel.
I want to challenge Georgia Baptists to be about the business of building bridges to lost people through church planting.
9 out of 10 churches have never planted another daughter church.
Every church should be a church-starting church.
People are coming from countries that do not allow the gospel witness. We need to begin churches that lead them to be followers of Jesus.
As churches and pastors partner with church planners and asking God, what's my role in this? Can I send laborers? Increase our giving. We have to be serious about starting churches.
8.2 million people in the state of Georgia don't know Jesus and are lost. We must start doing things differently.
Any church at any level can plant another church.